Amazing morning, Master Designers. Tonight we're going to draw PERI and ENTREE from Spliced. These two, along with everyone else that live on the islands that they grew up on, were created by this crazy doctor who disappeared because creating animal hybrids was illegal. But eventually, they started creating their own living, their own society, a place to call home. PERI and ENTREE are the main characters for this series. I consider these two to be one of my favorites. Well, two of them are my favorites. PERI is a gerbil with octopus-like legs, and ENTREE is half cow and half rooster. And, well, he walks on his udders. Well, sorry about last time, audience. For just a reminder, I only had 2 minutes for me drawing these interesting fighters. Now, before as I draw you guys, I'm gonna slowly take my time and tell you more about the fighters that are revealed on this page. Tonight, we were drawing PERI and ENTREE from Spliced. These two, along with everyone else on their gorgeous island, were created by an insane doctor who came up with the idea for fusing and combining DNA from other animals. PERI, ENTREE, and everyone else, like Patricia, Two Legs Joe, Princess Ponyhead, CompuHorse, and Dr. Smarty Smarts and Octocat. They all got spliced together, half-baked, half-diced, and regurgitated, all by one crazy doctor. After that, he was arrested. Well, he planned on universal domination. Unfortunately for him, he was arrested for that, and he was sent back to prison. As for the animals that he created, they had nowhere else to go, nowhere else to live, so they decided to create their own society. And, well, taking a beating, I've taken a huge liking to the series. And, well, ever since 2014, these animals, well, they were literally like one of my favorites ever since it debuted on demand. They may be made out of different parts, but they're actually really interesting guys. My favorite episode was the Stomp episode, where Two Legs Joe was on a mission to get his stomp back. The first episode that I ever saw on that page was Octocataclysm, where Octocat came up with this crazy plan to cheer up Dr. Smarty Smarts. Another episode was where Smarty Smarts was planning to make sure that everyone was as smart as him. And, well, he called it Me-topia, but technically it was actually, well, horrible. Well, technically it's dystopia. You should have seen ENTREE's accent. Scientist says, build a space station out of these. As in a rock and a balloon. And he can Entree can manipulate things with his mind. They're actually pretty smart dudes. They even know how to move rocks away from debris. There are lots of other animals that were discovered on that island. And well, I don't know how many of these weird animals that the doctor created. But these animals are actually quite interesting to draw up. Another thing about PERI and Entree, I feel like they're the only two heroes, well, one of the many heroes in their universe that can save their islands from certain destruction. Like that giant boulder they call Broly. Kind of reminds me of Broly. You know, the legendary Super Saiyan. Then he was cloned for Bio Broly. I feel like we might see him on the series one day. Here's his tail. And there we are. That's how you properly draw PERI and Entree. These two look great together. Anyhow, I'm proud you all got to see me draw two of the best characters from Spliced. One of the best shows that I saw in 2014. I hope it comes back soon. I really enjoyed this series. Hopefully it'll come out with a reboot. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later, guys.